Hi there, Keval here. Are you a business owner? If yes, you must be having a website for your business. Now, is your website a traditional website which is not even compatible on mobile and tablet? Now, if yes, that might become one of the reason that you might not be getting the leads from your website. Are you generating the leads from your website? No. Now, if you want to have a website which generates the leads for your business, there are two ways. Either you hire a web developer or outsource it to a website agency and pay a very hefty amount, or you develop it by yourself. But there is a problem. You don't know how to code, you don't know how to write a programming language. Now, what if I tell you there is a platform where you can create an awesome website in just 10 minutes without even knowing the programming language? How will that be? Hi there, Keval this side. So now let's learn how to actually create a website in 10 minutes without knowing a programming language. Let's hit it. Okay, so here you can see this is a template, this is a website, a basic website called AVC Graphic Designs. I've just created in just 10 minutes. Okay, you can just have a look. It's a background cover, it has an introductory video, the list of the services, in fact, a basic brochure which has been imported from Google Slides. And in fact, matter of fact, there is a form as well which says contact us, and the customer, the clients can actually reach out to you by just filling up a Google form automatically. Okay, now you can see here there is a tab called Our Services, which actually includes 4 tabs, and then About Us, Blogs, YouTube, and Facebook. Looks easy. Now you want to learn how to create it within 5 minutes? Let's see. So firstly you need to go to sites.google.com/new. At the right bottom corner there is a plus button called create a new site. So when you click on it, it automatically opens a fresh blank website which says that your page title. Now let me create the same website which I created for ABC just for you. So here the name goes. Website name. Here you can add the logo. And here, where is the header, you can actually add the background as well. So here, there's an option called change image. So when I click on change image, I can upload a background for the website as well. Easy. So in fact, within the next 20-30 seconds, I just added a logo, brand name, and text. Now, let me add a video and the text here. So there are layouts. So this platform is called Google Sites. So here it has 3 tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes. In Insert, there is a section called Layouts. So I'm just adding a layout here, and it says this is a box, and this is click to add text. So when I click here, it gives me a plethora of options, including YouTube. So I click on YouTube, I search for the company's YouTube channel. And I can pick up any of the videos and directly insert it, right? With that, I can add a tab here which says services, and I can write down services by numbering. Number 1, for example, the company creates logo designs, right? Second, for example, it creates business brochures, etc. Right? You can fill it up. Okay. After that, now imagine you want to add a company brochure as well, your online presentation. So the right side you can see there's a section called slides. So this is Google Slides, guys. Google Slides, it's a part of G Suite, and you can create a presentation on Google Slides, and that directly can be imported here. So I'm just clicking on the section. Here are all the website, all the slides that I have recently opened. So let me just click here and insert it. Easy, done. At the right side the section is open, it's blank, so I can add a text box here, which I can quickly drag here. Right, and here you can say business brochure, and here you can add more and more details as well. Now you might be wondering, where is the contact us form? So guys, at the right side at the bottom there's an option called forms, right? When you click on forms, it actually gives you the plethora of option again in the kind of forms which you have already created, right? And the recent ones will be shown to you at the right side. Suggestion: if you want to add a form, try to open it in a different tab first so that it becomes a recent form, and then you open it here. So for example, a request to callback form is clicking it and I am simply inserting it. So easy process in the entire contact us form has been added without any efforts. Right? Easy? Looks easy? It's so easy, guys. Here you can add a text again which says contact us. At the bottom there is an option called add footer. You can add your company website, your address, contact number, etc. Now you might be wondering, there are a lot of pages on that website. Where are the pages here? So at the right side you have a tab called pages. So very quickly you can add pages like about us. You can add the pages like our services. In our services pages you can have sub pages as well. So for example, here I can add logo design, which is one of the service, and then I can add which was the other one, business brochure. I can add this as well. I can just quickly drag this under the service tab, and the same for the business brochure. And guess what? You have a new tab ready. The final point, you have the link as well. So for example, here I want to add a Facebook link. I'll just go to my Facebook page, I'll copy the link and I shall paste it here. Easy. And I have a Facebook link as well, which is not here basically, which is outside. And you can see here. Now, there's an option called publish. Now you want to see how to publish the website. So you got the basic agenda on how to create a website, right? And when I click on publish, it gives me a basic web address, which when I click on publish, it automatically make it live. So right now it is getting published. There's an option called view at the bottom. You can just see this option coming up, right? When I click it, and boom, the website is live. Now guys, this is how you create a website in 10 minutes. Okay.